Hi viewers and hello everyone. This is Yashi Asthana, Chief Executive Officer of SoftPro Group of Companies, welcoming you all in this video. Well, I have come to record this video for all of you to share a very important and a very happy news with all. After the successful completion of excellence of SoftPro India, which established itself in 2004, completing 21 years this year, and establishing itself working in Lucknow since past 21 years. Now we have expanded our wings and have established ourselves successfully in the national capital region of the country, the Delhi NCR area, Noida. Yes, we are now in Noida, having our corporate office at Sector 63, Noida, from where we are going to cover our operations. We are going to do our operations and we are going to cover the entire pan-India level area. We will be coming up with all the operations, like we will be conducting our training programs, like full stack certification programs. We will be conducting summer trainings and we will be doing the software development work from Noida now on. So guys, now not only we are in Lucknow, where we used to cover the states of Uttar Pradesh, the state of Madhya Pradesh. We've worked for Bihar state, doing the complete automation of the state universities of Bihar, working for government departments of Uttar Pradesh, working for the departments of Madhya Pradesh. Now we will be working for more states. We will be covering and we will be expanding ourselves to more states and to the more jurisdictions of the country, working from Noida. This was all happened, and this is all because of the love, the support we have got from all our stakeholders, whether it is about our students, our clients, our employees, the people who all are our well-wishers. So I would like to say thanks to each one and all of you, that you guys have given and showered your blessings on us, because of which today SoftPro India could establish itself. SoftPro India could expand its wings to work at national region, to work in the pan-India's level, covering our operations from Noida. So thank you so very much, each one of you. And now we will also be opening a lot of vacancies for the tech graduates, for the people who are MBAs, BTechs, to come and join hands, be the part of the military of SoftPro to work from Noida. Yes, that's true. We have a lot of opportunities for you guys as job seekers, as our future employees, as our interns, as our trainees. Come, join SoftPro, and thank you so much. Visit our office at Sector 63, Noida, to see what we and you can do together. Thank you and happy learning.